Yes, again, my friend, we're back again. You don't know with a new Mama So episode. If you don't know Mama So Kitchen, Mama So Agua.
Welcome another time, as my son said, to Mama So Kitchen.
Yeah, man, Mama So Agua, and today,
yes,
Callaloo.
And the menu I'm going to have
Vital is always vital.
Callaloo without saltfish.
Yeah.
And some roast breadfruit, roast potato, and roast
piece of yellow yam. Yeah.
Yellow. See your pretty peeps.
Yeah, man. Original, expensive.
Yes.
I tell you, yellow yam dear.
Man.
Big up to all of the farmers, them. And you don't know, we are represent with Jamaica flag. You see it. Big up all Jamaicans all over the world are checking in. And you don't know if you're not born Jamaica, but you don't know your family are Jamaica. Big up. And big up who love the culture, same way. You see it?
Yes.
So what we say now, before we go further in our video, you don't know, we have to kick it off by saying, Mama So keep the fire blazing. This is the one you go what?
Wild.
Our?
Versatile.
Because our?
Mama So
Style. Yeah, man, you don't know, peeps. If you're checking in for the first time, please do not leave without hitting that subscription button. So when Mama So put up new video, you will be notified. And you don't know, big up to all of the loyal subscribers them. We've been with us from day one, and all of the new subscribers them will just subscribe and it's gonna be with us continuously now. You don't know. Vital is vital. So that I go on today. Yeah.
The fire blazing, peeps, you know, due to the rain, the wood them, the fire
dry.
Wet.
Wet, I should say. Wet. Yeah, they're wet. So
it kind of difficult.
Like a grand they on top, yes, so now.
It's kind of difficult piece, but
we'll make it work, man.
Yes. Where's the plastic?
And peeps, they don't know original Papito, right? Yes, so look like you want to take over the production.
The fire.
Original Papito look like he want to take over the production. See, with tripod, I fix up tripod there. Yeah, peeps, so you don't know. Mama So I go get everything together, you know. If you light up the fire. So stay tuned. Zane, respect.
Man, if they never wet, man, they tell you, till I'm finished. Okay.
Fire go blaze, man.
Yeah, man.
Man, Mama So keep the fire blazing now, peeps. So the fire go blaze.
The fire go blaze, man. Just give it a little time, man.
I see Papito there, I help see him way too. Well, Papito, what you going to do is stone?
Papito want to keep the fire blazing.
Put this in the fire.
That's Papito.
Put that in the fire. Put that in the fire. Put it in the fire now. Papito the great.
Wild and versatile.
Original Papito.
Just don't want to plastic catch me.
Yeah, that definitely I go catch. Peeps, I must know Kelly. Skeleton.
No.
Watch out. No idea, man.
Sit down.
Kelly, what's up?
Kelly the great.
Okay. Kelly have on clothes. Oh, you roll like clothes. You know your clothes on the ground, Kelly. Oh, yeah, about so. Yeah, peeps, see it there. Fire go blaze up here now. You don't know Mama So style. Yeah? What, Papito? Papito go pick up some grand out of the Everglades. Out of the bush. Yeah, throw it in there, Papito. Fire blaze, boy. Fire blaze, Mama So. Yes, peeps, you don't know. I will say ital is vital. You don't know. See it there, my peeps. Look, the fire blazing now. Remember, you know, Mama so keep the fire blazing now, so shouldn't be a hard thing to do.
Exactly.
Yeah, Papito, watch your wire there. Watch your fire.
No, move Papito. Move from the fire.
Watch your wire, watch your fire. High voltage. Yeah, see
Yes,
it there, peeps.
Put in the
Mama so go dash on a breadfruit, you know. Peeps say you don't know you cut the bottom of the breadfruit right there, so if you make it.
Yeah, if you make the
Fire penetrate through it.
Penetrate. The steam.
Steam, yeah.
And then we cut out, you know, what do you call this?
The heart.
Oh.
Dig out the heart.
Yes, I think, yeah.
Look here, peeps.
Move, Tony, move. I have to go back there.
Put him on, go on. Put it on it.
With some potato. Like sweet potato.
Watch it there, watch it there, man.
Move it.
Yeah, peeps, see it there? See it there, see it there, see it there. See it there. Yeah. Yeah, man, the fire blaze. The fire is actually blazing.
Yes,
Look at people. No joke.
Mama Sue, you know. Mama
No joke.
Mama Sue catch that fire.
Yeah, man. Remember saying that, man. We start everything by saying Mama Sue keep the fire blazing. Yeah, because trust me, Mama Sue catch up fire in a seconds. Mama Sue there right now. I go and cut up the vegetables them. You understand? She go cut up the callaloo after. The breadfruit them there. I go and roast with the piece of yam and the sweet potato. I go set up at the fire. Put some more fire under it and turn the breadfruit them, you know. And turn the sweet potato and yam. Alright peeps, breadfruit and the piece of yam and the potato them turn. You don't know fire still ablaze because you don't know Mama Sue blaze it, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Mama Sue keep the fire blazing. Red hot. Oh, gosh, Papito, watch your fire, boy. Callaloo cut up now. Watch them, man.
That's how we do it in our country, you know, people. Just cut up the callaloo, man. Used to grow a lot of callaloo.
Fresh callaloo in a peeps.
Callaloo and cabbage in the country. Type people ain't healthy stuff.
Callaloo and yeah, cabbage and all type of thing.
Yeah, man. I was a big farmer.
Now look at peeps. Carrot grater
Man,
with scallion, tomato,
I love them in
and
thing,
some
man.
little seasoning there.
Snacks. Seasoning.
Yeah, man, my favorite garlic,
Yeah, man.
bell pepper, tomato. Make sure you cut up that scotchina, you know.
No, me cut up that.
Yes, man, because you know, say.
Smell sweet already, pizza in that teeth. Okay. Quick and fast. Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. Breakfast, lunch. It's a breakfast, lunch.
Quick and fast.
Almost 12 o'clock in the views. Breakfast, lunch, I go on here.
Okay, that fast, Steve.
Go Papito about, yo, this is a rebel, you know, boy. I love it, my son. A rebel, come out and smoke, man. Come out and smoke. Come out and smoke. Hat, don't you? Papito, come here.
Fast.
Put on your hat, man. Put on your hat. Yeah, peeps.
Fast. Everything just, let me just put everything.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Put your on yourself, mama, so. Put your right yourself. Yeah, man. People, them see what I go on. Beautiful. Papito. Beautiful. People, watch a man, the boy, watch a boy, man. Hey boy. The boy Papito I don't know if you swing ball in the way out. The man watch that foolish happy. Watch it. You watch that foolish up. Let me get ya, man. You want to pop off me, bro. Watch him. See your face, peeps. The great Papito. Yeah, peeps. Alright. So the veggies set on now. When I say veggies, I'm talking about callaloo, I'm talking about tomato, talking about scallion, we're talking about garlic, onion, thyme, bell pepper. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Food from the earth. Food that the Almighty God put on the earth, yeah. So we nourish your body with. You see me I say? Yeah, man. See it there? The breadfruit, them up on the lower part of the fire, right? And now I go on balance off potato and the yam them around here, so ease them off of the high fire and just put them on the coal and now make them go and chuckle on. And go and soak, as Mama Sue says soak, me say chuckle on. Yeah, man, and we don't just put it on the fire dry like that. There's a little bit of water and some extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, we cook with that a lot. Yeah. Yes, peeps. I see Mama Sue just go get some more grang. She blaze up back the fire. Yeah, because it's 12 o'clock right now, you know, so breakfast roll over into lunch, but I don't know. It's a good combination. Healthy breakfast and healthy lunch in a one, and a whole heap steam, you never know. We might just roll that over in a dinner. Same way. What are the extra fire for Mama so?
No, man, we put
the cabbage man.
No, man.
Me as a cabbage. The
cabbage,
the callaloo?
Yeah. And they follow you. I say cabbage.
Original Mama Sue peeps. See her there?
Yes,
Yeah.
You have to keep the fire blazing although the rain fall.
I don't know this a boy. Me say, look, watch him face. Put down the knife, boy. Put down the knife, man. On a serious level. Put down the knife. Put it down. Take it. Give me the knife, man. Say potato. Potato. Well, that's the foreign name. Say potato. Potato. One thing, mommy, what story that tell me? Say like the woman come from foreign and she go in the market and say, "Can I get a pound of potato?" And the woman I say, "What you say?" "Yes, can I get a pound of potato?" And the woman said, "You mean potato?" Oh, you have the other one, the Irish mash too.
Papaya.
Oh, papaya.
Yeah. Can I have a papaya? The woman said, "What you say?" He said, "Can I?" And peeps, me just come from a country, you know, and go to town to work. So I went to go and, you know, to buy some stuff, some vegetables.
It was actually you?
Fruits, yes.
This one was real? Okay.
Papaya.
So the first one made makeup, but that was real. And Mama will tell it, this is the real story.
Selvin was the potato.
Oh, Selvin was the potato?
Yes. So I said, "Can I have a papaya?" The man said, "Where you say?" The country man said, "Where you say?" I said, "I need a papaya to buy." The man said, "Where you say?" Me say, "You have any pupa?" The man said, oh, pupa. I'm telling you. You see, that was a joke for me. I was just laughing. I said, "Oh my God." said, oh my God, Jamaican. Oh, yeah, chat patois sometimes, you know. Yes, peeps. The ship dock.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, peeps. So, right about now,
Yeah.
you don't know, callaloo and the veggies, them steam up. Breadfruit roast, yam roast. Come on, I put this up. Sweet potato roast, Mama So. I go take her off our pot now. You don't know.
Wow.
Look the peeps. Wow.
See?
Wow, wow, wow.
The peeps, you don't have to make
Beautiful.
callaloo. You can saltfish.
You don't have to put no saltfish in it. Too much salt. Alright, Mama So. Flick off the breadfruit them right here now. Peel up. Because you don't know. Me I go up on the road. I go have my breakfast. And by the time I done circle and do what I do, forward back and have lunch. Yeah. You see it? Maybe left all some for dinner too. Full greens for the whole day.
Put it in. That's very nice.
Real, yes. Authentic, yes. Outdoor Jamaican cooking. The Mama Sue kitchen. Yes, peeps, you don't know, just continue to like, continue to share, continue to comment, you know, leave your thoughts, and you don't know, most importantly, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. Yep. And then select all, so every time we upload new video, you get notified. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Look on the yellow yam, people. Look how the yellow yam. No, look on the breadfruit.
Ouch.
Wow.
It a crumble.
Bust the potato, let me say, Mama. So.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hot, you know? Wow.
No, I'm not say hot.
Wow. Wow, peeps. Wow. That's just wow. Alright, Mama, so I have to reach by my 30 minutes. To peel one little piece there. Peel.
Just have a peel a little piece.
Yeah, man, and just share out a little bit for me there. So my plate, you know. Peeps, the advantage of being the director, the narrator, the editor, the filmer, the production, the whole production. We get to eat first. Always taste the pot first. Yes. Wow. Wow. Well, I really authentic way. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. The nutrients and then yeah, peel off right there. So. Don't worry about that. Taste this. I say, yeah, I'm just a crumbling in your mouth.
Yeah, man. Carbohydrate. Carbs.
Yeah, man. That's good enough.
Aye.
This is the bresche now. Real country people call it bresche. Call it breadfruit, them say bresche.
The bresche come.
This is nice. Can I eat this alone without nothing? Just imagine it. Oh. Right.
God.
Woo. Look the peeps. Look the peeps. Real authentic.
Real peeps, real.
Some more callaloo night.
When you come, when you come back.
Oh yeah. You see, me and my belly just a think for now. My belly not a think for later. Because the food looks so delicious.
I tell you what.
So people, we taste the callaloo.
Good.
You know. Let me taste the callaloo with piece of breadfruit.
Okay.
Everything in this to nourish your body, you know. Everything in this to nourish your body.
If this, when our restaurant is 10 off,
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. This nice. It's nice. Don't worry about Kelly. Mm-mm. The right amount of pepper, you know. The right amount of pepper. I mean, love spicy stuff. The right amount of pepper, the right amount of spice, everything does right. Mm. So peeps, you don't know, big up on yourself. Continue to support my beautiful mom channel. She have been wanting to do this for a long time, and I make sure take some time out of my busy schedule and make it possible for her. So please continue to support her. You see me, I see, and everybody will support her from ground till now. Maximum respect. And everybody that just subscribe and about to subscribe, respect. To every
aspect.
You don't know, original Mama Sue, there can be no other otherwise from my mother.
Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing.
This I wanna go
wild.
Our
versatile.
Because our
Mama Sue style.
Yeah man peeps, love you know. You don't know, like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe.
Yes,
and make sure you do what?
The little notification bell. Bing!
Respect to all what?
Aspect.
Yeah man, big up. Blessings every time.
See you in my next video.
Yeah.